Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about bringing Act data, a text file of Act data, an Act report that I saved as a text file, into Microsoft Excel. So this tutorial becomes more of a tutorial in my mind about Excel versus Act, and let me tell you why. That Act report has a lot of data, a lot of information. And if you think of sort of the headings, for example, where it might say company and then the company name is name and then the name of the person, those are sort of the headings. So when you're working with Excel, you might not be aware of this, but you can literally take a text file and literally drag it right onto Excel to bring all that data in. And I'll show you that in a second. But the other way is you can come up and click on File. You can go, went a little too far, I'm going to go File, I'm going to go down to Open, and now I can navigate to that text file which happens to be sitting on the desktop of my computer. And when I get in here, you'll notice I don't see it. It's called Contact Report with the date 6/8/20. And I don't see it, and the reason I don't see it is because Excel's only looking for Excel files, and I need to look for all files because this is a text file. So I'm going to drag down, here it is right here, and I'm going to click Open. Now, when you bring in a file that has a lot of data in it, Excel has a wizard that allows you to sort of match things up. But what I'm going to tell you right here is this is all the data in here, and you'll notice all these items here. Now, you can mess around with this stuff a bit, and this is more where you have to be more expert in Excel, but the potential is that I could get all of this to look really good. That's not the purpose of this tutorial here. The purpose is just to show you that you can save things as a text file and you can open it in Excel. At this point, I'm going to click Cancel because I'm not going to do this, but this is more of an Excel knowledge tip, how to bring text files in and match them up and get the columns all set up properly. But again, I'm not going to focus on that here. I'm going to click on Cancel. I'm going to take this Excel file or spreadsheet and I'm going to make it smaller right here. Now, remember I said how you can drag things onto Excel? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that contact report. It's right down here on the bottom left. I'm going to click and hold and I'm going to drag it right up to cell A1. And what you're going to see is it opened all of my data in Excel. Now, to me, it's not in a very useful form, but here is all my data. It's those 5,000 contacts. I'm going to maximize this just so you can see it a little bit better. But again, page 3 of 5376. Now this doesn't really do anything for me. Now granted, you might be able to do some things with Excel, but if you think of it like company, contact, title, what I would have really preferred is to have all these be column headings. Someone more expert in Excel and with patience could have brought all this information in. But the point is this. When you're taking data and you're thinking to yourself, I want to take it over to Excel, remember in my previous example I said, instead of doing it this way, bring all this data into a list view in Act and then shoot it over to Excel because it would have been all lined up already. All of these headings, phone, mobile phone, salutation, would have been columns with all the information. Now I'm not suggesting in this case this report would have been great to have in that layout, but I'm just suggesting that it can be done. And sometimes when you're working with reports, it's easier to get it over to Excel because, like I said, when it comes to manipulating reports or working with them, people don't know the Act Layout Designer. Even myself, who uses it so infrequently, every time I go into it, I'm like, how do you do this again? It's just not second nature. Most people are going to be more comfortable with Excel than they'd ever be with the Act Report Designer. So that's why getting information over to Excel can be useful, working with Excel and Act together. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.